Hey everyone, I'm Dina from simplyhomecooked.com, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this decadent Oreo cheesecake. It is the perfect cake for birthday parties, for the holidays, or really any special occasion. It's made with a simple buttery Oreo crust, and then the cheesecake itself is loaded with crushed up pieces of Oreos, and then the best part, the top has a smooth layer of a white chocolate ganache, and it is just amazing. You guys are gonna love this recipe. Let me show you how to make it. Start off by making the Oreo crust first. So place 35 whole Oreos into your food processor and pulse the cookies on high speed until they crumble down to a fine crumb. Then pour 5 tablespoons of unsalted melted butter into the food processor as you continue to pulse the cookies on high speed. This will ensure that everything is mixed together very well. Now dump the Oreo crumbs into a 9-inch springform pan and then evenly press the crust on the bottom and up the sides of the pan. You can use this using the bottom of a measuring cup, or you can use your clean hands. Whatever works better for you. Now place the crust onto a baking sheet, and then you want to bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 8 minutes. In the meantime, add 4 8-ounce packages of room temperature cream cheese into a stand mixer. And you want to use the good quality cream cheese here. That's going to give you a smooth, rich, and creamy cheesecake. Then you want to add 1 cup of granulated sugar to the stand mixer as well. Using the paddle attachment, turn the mixer on high speed and then beat the cream cheese for about 5 minutes, making sure to scrape down the sides of the beater bowl every other minute. This will ensure a clump-free, smooth cheesecake. Now add 1 cup of sour cream, along with 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Turn the mixer on high speed, and then you want to beat it again for about 2 to 3 minutes. And after you're done, make sure to scrape down the sides of the bowl again. Now bring the speed down to the lowest setting, and you want to add a total of 3 eggs and 1 egg yolk. But add them one at a time. So a good way to know when to add the next egg is when you no longer see any yellow streaks from the yolk. Once the last egg is just mixed in, you want to stop it from mixing and then scrape down the sides of the bowl again. Then grab a knife and roughly chop 12 Oreos and then add it right into the cheesecake batter, making sure to mix it on low speed. You want to be careful not to overmix the batter. Now preheat your oven to 250 degrees Fahrenheit and pour the cheesecake batter in. Bake it on the center rack for about 1 hour and 30 minutes. And once it's done, leave the oven closed until the cake is fully cooled down, and then you want to refrigerate it for at least 3 hours. To make the white chocolate ganache, just add 8 ounces of white melting chocolate wafers into a bowl and then pour half a cup of boiling heavy cream right over the white chocolate. And then use a whisk to mix everything together until it's smooth. Then let the ganache cool and thicken before you pour it over the cheesecake. So once your cheesecake is chilled, you can go ahead and pour the ganache right over the top. And if the ganache doesn't quite reach those edges, you can always just fill in those empty spots by spooning the ganache right into those areas. And for a prettier presentation, I just crushed up some extra Oreos and sprinkled them right over the top of the ganache. And then I whipped up some heavy whipping cream and then piped a border all around the entire cheesecake. And I finished the decoration with a border of halved Oreos as well. Ooh-wee, look at this. She is a beauty. That looks really good. Oh man, I have been waiting so long for this. That is so incredibly smooth and creamy, and it's like perfectly sweet. Even though there's like that sweet chocolate ganache on top, the actual cheesecake itself isn't too sweet, so it's just absolutely perfect. And those chunks of Oreos is this pleasant surprise. It is absolutely to die for. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, hit that subscribe button so you guys get updated on new recipes all the time. See you in the next video.